industrial clubs. Holy shit, that Banshee's tearing it up. Oh, for a finish.
That's how fast she goes. Okay, this ought to be a real test.
Oh yeah. This is going to be interesting.
What?
This is going to be interesting.
Look at all the bikes.
KLR. Oh my god. You go, buddy.
They're already look beat up. What the hell is this now?
4 strokes.
4-wheel drive.
Look at this guy. Oh my god. Woo!
They all step on that like the real.
Look at Scrambler. Yeah, it's just like his.
Oh, the 3-wheelers. This is going to be helpful.
Look, they each get a trophy. Whether they finish or not, they each get a trophy. Yeah, man.
A 110.
Yeah.
A 110.
You can walk it down it. It's not too late.
But anyway, put a GoPro. Ride what you got, right? At 125. Ride what you got. Wow.
All right.
All right, 3 of them.
Side by side. Who's winning? Who's winning?
3 in the GoPro.
Who's got that race? Who's in?
That dude's
Who is? What's he in? Was that a Polaris?
Razor, isn't it?
And the go-kart.
That's the same way he made it up the hill last time. He'll make it. Good time. All right. Wait for him to come down.
Yeah. I gotta get everyone.
Yeah. Hey, that's here. You got 100 quads now.